In the railway industry, documentation isn't just paperwork. It's the backbone of safety and compliance. We're going to explore how going digital is flipping the script, turning this necessary burden into a real strategic advantage. So here's our game plan. We'll start with the compliance burden, introduce the digital solution, cover the key operational benefits, and then wrap up with how this all leads to a strategic edge.
All right, first up, let's get right to the heart of the problem, the risks and drags that come with old-school, paper-based systems.
It's a critical question to ask. Are your manual processes slowing you down and opening you up to risk? Because often these old systems create a ton of friction and vulnerability. And these challenges, they're all connected. Using an old procedure could lead to a safety issue. Manual filing makes audit prep a nightmare. And when different sites do different things, you've got major systemic risk on your hands. So what's the answer? It's a dedicated digital system, one that's built for control, consistency, and instant access. The core idea here is creating a single source of truth. This just gets rid of all the guesswork. It means the engineer in the field and the manager in the office are always looking at the exact same up-to-date document, every single time. So how does it work? Well, it's a pretty logical process. First, you centralize everything. Then you automate the workflows to cut out human error. Access is then secured based on roles. And boom, a full audit trail is automatically created. Now for the good part. Let's talk about the real-world impact. What does this actually deliver for railway operators on the ground? The difference is just night and day. We're talking about going from hours of searching to seconds, from a high risk of errors to guaranteed integrity. This isn't just a small step up. It's a total game changer for operations. Think about that for a moment. Just this one metric is completely transformative. Imagine the time saved across an entire depot over a year. It's massive. And the benefits are across the board. It's not just about moving faster. It's about being safer, more secure, and always compliant. It makes the whole operation much more resilient. These are the results engineering teams are actually seeing. The risk of using old info is gone. Knowledge gets shared properly. And when inspectors show up, proof of compliance is right there, instantly. So, in the end, this is about way more than just checking a box for compliance. It's about turning a mandatory process into a powerful asset. This quote really says it all. You're taking something that was just a cost center and turning it into something that drives efficiency and strengthens the entire business. So we'll leave you with this question to think about. If you turn a process like document control into a source of strength, what other doors does that open up for your organization?